Day 2 of my Simple Frugal Basic Spring Cleaning 2023. Yesterday I tackled most of the lower level, so the plan today is to finish that off and then start upstairs. In each room I'm paying attention to light fixtures, walls, removing scuffs and fixing minor issues, cleaning out vents and windows and window tracks. I'm purging and reorganizing as I go and making a list of any larger issues that may need to be addressed. We built our home 2.5 years ago, and since it's our third build, we've learned from experience how much money can be saved if we stay on top of household maintenance consistently. For us, our home is definitely our biggest financial investment, so it makes sense to spend the time it takes to upkeep it. That being said, I specifically designed this house to be as low maintenance as possible. As much as I like having it clean, I don't want to spend more than the necessary time keeping it like that. I didn't have the budget for a traditional custom build, so I chose a builder that would allow me to customize pretty much whatever I liked while working within my budget. Now I work with that builder and have a referral program that can save you thousands off the cost of a new build too. Once a year, I go all out and scrub everything I can with the time and energy I have, and then do simple maintenance the rest of the year. Did I do this when my kids were little? Absolutely not. I spent the time then focusing on training them, and once my youngest was 7, this became my routine. I'm privileged to have ideal circumstances, not to mention health, to make this type of cleaning possible. And I can't believe this is the 3rd year I've been able to share it with you. Come back tomorrow for day 3.